Hey folks, Jeff here with my Tennessee Home Solution. Today I'm here in Lewisburg, Tennessee, down south, where we had just purchased this home right here with cash. We buy properties as is. We pay cash and we make it very simple on the homeowner. And in this case, the home has some previous water damage that's led to some pretty significant issues to the ceiling, the flooring system, and really kind of everything in between. And so the seller was just not necessarily up for doing all the work. And so they gave us a call. And we came out, took a look, made them a fair cash offer, and we'll be buying the property as it sits, just like it is today. We will go in and handle the heavy lifting. We'll repair all of the water damage. I'll make sure that this home looks brand new. So if you too have a property that may have some water damage, could be fire damage, or maybe just years of overall deferred maintenance, and you're not up for the job, give us a call. We would be glad to come out, take a look, make you a fair cash offer, and ultimately make this quick, simple, and easy. Give us a call or visit us at mytennesseehomesolution.com, and we'll talk to you soon.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.